Hey you guys, welcome back to the 100-year flip where we are renovating our 100-year-old home. So today we have an exciting I can never say this right. Today we have an exciting Okay. Today we have an awesome video because we are putting the fence post down. I am super excited about it. I did go to the doctor, you guys, and I got good and bad news, but right now we're just going to focus on the good. Surgery went well. My healing is going really, really good. And he gave me the okay to get back over here and start working. So I'm super happy about that. I'll update you babes on everything else later. But today we are getting on the roof, looking around, and we're putting the fence post in. So that's a big step for us. Recently had 2 break-ins, and it's important for us to get the fence up so I can be able to bring our dogs over here to be on the property. So yeah, if you are new here, hey, subscribe. I am so happy that you clicked on this video. I'm happy to have you here, and we want you to join the family. Don't forget to thumbs up. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video, probably like a voiceover later or something. But yeah, we are getting ready to put the fence post up and to see if the ladder we just purchased goes all the way up to the roof. If you're interested, keep watching. Come on, let's go and do the first step of the fence. Alright, so here we are. I wanted to give you guys a look at the chain link fence that wraps around the entire home. This is what we are getting ready to replace. In the front we want to do wrought iron, and in the back we want a stacked wood fence. Removing the chain link was easy. What gave us a hard time was removing the roots of the trees that grew through the chain link over the years. It took us about a week to actually pull everything up and remove the chain link. Once the chain links were removed, we decided to grab shovels and dig up the post. Now the post was already coming up and the ground was really soft, so we just decided that, hey, everybody grab a shovel and let's just take turns digging up the post. Now we want to do this as budget friendly as possible, and this was the easier way for us, especially since the post was already coming out of the ground. Now I do want to let you guys know that all of this footage is pre-surgery right now. I think this is maybe a week before surgery. It was freezing out and we really didn't get much work done. All of the posts came out easy except for one, and that's this one. It took us a few days to actually get this post out of the ground, but everything else just came up really simple. Being that we're starting at the back gate, we decided that we're going to drop our new post inside of the same hole our old post came out of. We may dig just a little bit deeper, but that just saves us time with having to dig new holes. So we're going to use the exact same hole. Something that I am extremely sick and tired of doing is after a day's work, we are having to pick up so much glass and trash. It's like the people that walk this back gate just can't wait to throw their trash and break their bottles right here. It's so much glass back here, it's ridiculous. It's not even safe for our dogs to be back here because the glass is beyond me, okay? We have to clean that up every time we come out here, and it's just irritating. But anyway, we are digging up our last few posts for the back gate, and then we will start to drop our new post in. It looks good. So we have this one left, and that one is not ours, I don't think. Yeah, we might have to do on the inside of this one, babe. Huh? Because this is gonna take down his back fence. So it would take down his back fence. So we would go inside of here for the corner. I mean, it's up to you.
Then he gonna be like, damn, I don't want to listen to shit like this.
He gonna be like, TJ, go
I
on.
wouldn't mind doing it once I'm finished.
Go on, fix this for me.
That's how they gonna be.
Not Ringo. Hey, how loose is that one? Yeah.
Ready to come up?
You want me to dig while y'all clean up?
It ain't even big. Just ready to come up now.
I'm saying while y'all do some cleanup, you want me to go ahead and
Take the fence off.
yeah.
We didn't.
Or I could do the cleanup, man. I bought the cutters
Yeah.
in the trunk. Ooh. Y'all, I think somebody got caught cheating. They was out here acting a donkey. And now the police was down there. The firefighters. The firemen. Ooh. Okay. I could only find one earring. But
What if they end up dead? It's quiet over there now.
you think he ran? Because the man did run in the house after him. And then he ran out, jumped the gate, and got in the car and left. But they were still screaming at each other, so he had to be alive.
I didn't know you screaming over me. You don't stay alive.
I should have brought my wig just in case I needed to get on the news and be a witness.
It's okay, I'm gonna get on.
Here we are 9 weeks later, and I just recently had my 8-week post-op, and the doctor has cleared me to get back over here and continue our restoration/renovation journey for our 100-year flip, and I am super excited. It's just me and hubby today. We're jumping right back into the fence. The kids are at school, so we are going to put down the first post. Now, we are only working on the back side of our fence because I didn't want to take the chance of pulling up the post and removing the chain links on the side and our neighbor's dog being able to get out and run away, or another animal being able to run through our yard to theirs to attack their puppy, because their dog is extremely small. So what we're going to do is put the post down and close up the back side of our gate first, and then we will start working on the sides. So our post that we are putting up now, I believe it's a total of 7 posts that can go up here, but we're only going to put up 4 because hubby want to leave an opening because he's getting ready to bring his 18-wheeler in the backyard before we close up the gate. So it's going to be an open gate, okay? The gate is going to be able to open and close electronically, but he wants to put the truck back here first before we close up everything. So we're only putting the post down going towards the right, and then we will start working on the sides going up towards the front yard. So yeah, we were just talking about how we didn't want to take down anybody else's gate, and anything could happen. We don't know how long we would have to leave it open before we can get back over here to drop the rest of the posts and the pickets. So we just don't want to remove everybody's gate and have everything open for an extremely long time. So that's what we're talking about now. We're also talking about how we want the gate to open, to give us room for all of our vehicles. And yeah, we're going to get ready to put these posts down. We did have to dig a little bit deeper in the holes, but so far so good. I'm super excited. Let's just get these posts in the ground. We do know that you have to wait 24 to 48 hours before you can put the pickets on the post. Okay, the cement has to dry, but we know that, and we are ready to move forward. So yeah, let's jump into putting our post down. Here we are the next day working on the final post that we're going to put in the ground for the week. Now we couldn't do it the last time we were here because the tree root was too deep in the ground and it didn't want to budge. It gave us a hard time trying to cut it and dig it out. Hubby thought for a second we may need some equipment to pull this tree root up, but I was determined to, one, continue to save money, and two, dig it out with a little bit of time and patience. We got this tree root out, no problem. He didn't want to put the post in because he didn't want it to grow around the post and end up growing over the fence or under the fence and knocking the whole thing down. But we end up getting it up and I am super proud of that. So we didn't stay out here long. We wanted to come and work on this tree root today and put down the final post for the week, as well as check our previous post because the last few days have been windy and we wanted to make sure that everything was drying all right and we didn't have to change anything. Now we did see a few things we had to tweak, but that's going to be shown in the next video. Other than that, everything went down really well and I'm super proud of us for taking down the chain link fence, for pulling up those old posts and putting down new posts. So once the cement goes in here, we're gonna wrap it up for the week. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. This is just the beginning. We are back out here and we are working and I cannot wait to share all the footage with you guys. Now I did mention that we were gonna get on the roof to check things out. Now I didn't climb up there, but hubby definitely did. So I am gonna show you those clips, as well as us going to the store after this process to pick out the right tools we need for our air compressor, which we're gonna need for our nail gun to put the pickets on the fence. Other than that, we wrapped up the day, you guys. Again, thank you babes so much for tuning into this week's video. I post videos every Thursday at 6 p.m. so make sure your notification bell is on so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you babes. I truly adore you for tuning in. If you know anybody that loves restoration, renovation, home decor, and interior design, feel free to share this video with them because I would love for them to come over and join our family. Now, I will see you babes next week, same time, same place. It's always love with yours truly, and I will definitely see you next time. Bye.
On that's for the gun or whatever you need to put in there, and this one actually goes onto the other side that sticks in the compressor.
Okay.
Or
So we just need to make sure it fit the gun.
yeah, it's universal pretty much.
Oh, okay.
Pretty much universal.
All right.